Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have not seen the first video in this little mini series on how I did the staging wall, be sure to check that out. I'll put a little link up somewhere in the top of this video. I don't know where. You'll find it. But in this one, I tackled doing the floor. So I had some leftover laminate from a previous project that I'm going to use for it. So stay tuned and check it on out. Ta-da! Project 1, officially done in the shop. This is a relatively quick build. I think I got it done in like a weekend. And I'm actually pretty excited about getting this one done, only because before and after pictures were something I was so bad at. So now that I have this designated area, it's making it much easier to produce and get those pictures done. I think one thing I've noticed in taking pictures on it is that the platform is a little bit too narrow. So I'm going to have to extend that and make it a little bit deeper. But unfortunately, I was working with what I had. I had no more laminate. So I guess I'll probably be making another one in the future. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching, guys.